I told you sat in the wrong positions.
I'm staying right there, that's all that matters.
Yeah, you should have sat in the back. I can't, it just falls back down.
Think how much water is going to go on the current lap before it's strong.
We are scraping on the bottom.
Yeah, we'll wait for everything.
Tell us when Scody off. We're going to get soaked, aren't we? You've stitched me up here. Someone else should have sat at the front with the camera. No, that's not what they said. No, look. That is not funny. Look. Oh, don't you! Oh my God! It poured over the front. When it stopped, it literally, I am soaked through at the bottom half. I'm not going to dry today. I'm not going to... Look! I hope I'm squishing you. I'm leaning back as hard as I can. No, look! It literally, watch the wave at the bottom, it pours on my lap. No. That is not funny.
I don't even think you're wet.
No, but the whole thing poured on my lap! I don't care if your feet are wet. I'm soaked through. I haven't. No. That is ridiculous. I'm not going to be in a good mood today. My feet are going to be so wet. No!